A tree whose resin is used to remedy scabies and leg wounds. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing Salinggogon Cratoxylum formosum of the family Hypericaceae. The genus Cratoxylon is derived from the Greek terms kratos and xylos, meaning strong and wood respectively, referring to its hard and durable timber. The specific epithet formosum is from the Latin term formosus, which means beautiful, referring to its flowers. Salinggogon is a small to large tree growing up to 20 meters tall. It is a slow-growing tree that requires full sun exposure for optimal growth and development. Aside from the Philippines, this native tree can also be found in other Southeast Asian countries. Due to its hardness, the wood of Salinggogon is said to be utilized for general construction purposes. During the dry season, Salinggogon shed its leaves, leaving its bare twigs and branches where flowers eventually develop, giving the trees a sakura-like look. The tree's bark exudes a resin used as a remedy for scabies and leg wounds. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.